Bonjour, 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 bonjour. Connectez-vous pour qu'on puisse s'amuser un peu aujourd'hui. Bonjour, bonjour à vous tous. Connectez-vous, partagez la vidéo pour qu'on continue. On continue avec le travail. Empowering and Business Opportunity. Partagez, partagez, partagez. Ceux qui ont besoin d'avoir une autre vision de vie, comme j'ai toujours eu à dire, connectez-vous sur ma page. Enregistrez-vous pour pouvoir commencer un business dans votre vie. Donc, notre plateforme vous donne l'opportunité de pouvoir commencer un business, de pouvoir réussir et de pouvoir toujours penser plutôt positif, ok? Nous avons des articles que vous pouvez prendre chez nous et revendre sur une plateforme qui est, exemple, online. L'Internet nous joue déjà des sales tours, quoi. Faire une marche en arrière. Donc, enregistrez-vous, connectez-vous. Et puis, courage à vous tous, courage, courage. Et disons déjà merci, merci au Seigneur d'être encore en vie aujourd'hui par rapport au Covid-19 qui est venu frapper le monde. Nous sommes toujours là, donc disons déjà merci au Seigneur. Man sa ate mbo po mtsum, man sa ate mbo we mtsum, man sa ate mbo po mtsum. Nga mbong nshunzum an nchamba te pato, chubonda an tok, chubonda an sit in tok, chubonda an sit in tok, pe alors je pas ameli la at han tok pop. Bonjour, 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 parce que nous sommes déjà dans l'après-midi, vous voyez, le temps passe tellement vite, le temps passe tellement vite. À peine s'est réveillé, c'est déjà le soir. Donc, c'est mieux de se réveiller un peu plus tôt. Quand je dis se réveiller plus tôt, c'est de réfléchir un peu plus tôt pour commencer le monde des affaires. Le monde des affaires, c'est le best. Hello, hello, my brother, how are you? Donc, how are you? How is the business? How is the lovely daughter? I can see her, she's very big now. How is she? Andolamier. I will call you later because I need some flyer and some business cards. I will call you later on for us to come out with something. Enjoy as you can. It's a music of love. Because I love you so much, guys. This is the heart I have for you guys. Love you so much. Love yourself. Follow Azek Vision with Migrant Empowerment Group to have another vision of life. We need to make sure we are so positive. We need to make sure we love ourselves. We need to make sure we love people around us. Partagez la vidéo, share des vidéos, share. Je suis unie et tu t'aimeras à jamais. Je suis unie, c'est lui qui t'aime et qui t'aimera à jamais. Oh my life. Hey, hello Devi, how are you, my darling? How are you? My lovely sister, how are you? Make sure you enjoy yourself, okay? And then we need to make sure we say thank you to our God because we're still in life. We lost a lot of people because of this COVID-19, but we're still in life. We still need to be positive. We need to continue to enjoy ourselves. We need to have a new strategy in life. At the moment, we're talking about empowering and business opportunity. Okay? Business opportunity. Our platform at the moment is giving you the opportunity to set up your business. Davy, I know you are a lovely daughter, my lovely sister. You like business. I want to help you to introduce you in the world of business. The living in the business power. If you want to start business, we have a lot of jewelry, we have a lot of clothes. You can start from online business. Come and join us, grab some stuff from our company, start your business. We will let that business, we will let the stuff to you in very good price. Because my vision is to help young adults to start a proper business. Start a business. I want you to start a business. Just call me later on. Call me later on. And then we will find the time. We will communicate on Zoom. And I will tell you the strategy to start your own business in your own time, in your own place. And join our platform. We have a Zoom conferences on Sunday. This Sunday, 3 o'clock, I invite people who continue to be positive. I inviting men or women who want to be focused, who are knowing what they are doing and know exactly where they are going. Because if you're still in life, it means you have a purpose. And because you have a purpose, you need to put the plan. You need to put the strategy in place to fulfill that purpose. I think this period of lockdown, you learn something. I hope so. I hope you learn something in this period of lockdown. Because you can see everything can stop one day. Everything can stop one day. And because everything can stop one day, it means we need to have another vision. We need to have another vision of life. We need to have another strategy of life. We can't just put everything in one basket. We need to make sure we have different baskets. It means if one basket is full or one basket fall down, we continue with another basket. It's what I want you to understand. Because I'm trying to understand as well. I want to understand the sense of life. Because all time, the some stuff happen. You need to understand that is helping you to have the definition of life. I hope you have a definition of your life. Because I have mine. Contact Migrant Empowerment Group. I know some of you, they already asked me the package of sewing program. Do not think I forgot. No. It depends for the different people are making different plan. Okay? Never think the question you are asking me or the problem you are putting for me to help you to solve, to find the solution. I'm not answer because I forgot about it. No. I want to give you the plan where you can follow and have a successful in the future. I can't just tell you, okay, buy the sewing machine, sit down in the Zoom, I will show you to do the. No, I need to make sure you have a plan. I need to make sure it's suitable for you. Follow us on Sunday, and any question you have, you need to ask. Any question you have, you need to ask. Because after this conference, any conference we will do in our platform, you need to make sure you contribute something. Because what we notice, what I notice, everything you gain from free, you take that for granted. What I notice in life, everything you give to somebody free, the person take that for granted. The person that don't see the value. Because he didn't spend nothing. But I invite you guys, Sunday, 3 o'clock, is a platform of empowering. It's a platform of business opportunity. You can just decide to say, okay, I need to start buying jewelry from Azek and go and resell. You can just decide now, 2020, we are in June. You can say, I have this 6 months to test this business, buying jewelry from Azek and going reselling. You can say, okay, this 6 months for 2020, I will start my business by taking clothes from Azek and go and resell it. You can take a decision and say, yes, this 6 months time, I will stop being negative. I will stop being lonely. I will stop disgracing people again. I will empower myself. I will challenge my life. Stop looking for another people. Look for yourself. Look. Put your lipstick and look yourself on your mirror and say, wow, I'm so pretty. Not leave yourself and go and look the life for another person. It's not healthy. It will never help you. It will never help you. But because you are having that information for free, you will take that for granted. You will take that for granted. That is a problem we have in our life. Everything you have for granted, for free, you take that for granted. If you come and pay for me to be your mentor, you will take that in serious. Because for me to be your mentor, do you know how much you pay? Do you know how much you can pay for somebody like me who have 30 years experience in my domain? Do you know how much you can pay for a mentoring to give you all this advice? I give since 2013 for free. People are taking for granted. But now, coronavirus, I think he tell you the education of life, the reality of life. Coronavirus tell us one day everything can be black. One day everything can be short. One day you and your children, your husband, everything will be in one house. Nobody will go out. And nobody will complain. Because even if you complain, nobody is there to listen to you. Because everyone is scared. That is what I want you to understand. That is what I want you to understand. Wake up your mind. Wake up your brain. Open your big eyes like mine. And see the reality of life. And stop looking to another people. Look to yourself. Look to yourself. Hello, Ruth. How are you, darling? Okay, I will come back to you later on. You will tell me if you are a beginner, if you never touch the machine, or you want to go to the next step level. You will let me know later on. It means you can inbox, or you can send me the inbox, and then we will go from there. I will tell you the package, because you can do everything online this day. You can learn your sewing online. Okay, my darling? You can learn your sewing online. You can take a decision to say, okay, I will take a responsibility to take this program once a week. Once a week for 30 minutes, and put yourself. Be focused. Be focused. Never give up. Even if you have people around you, you are trying to make you balance. Focus of your dream. Focus of your mission. Because 2020, how many months left? 7. Soon is June. After June, you have 6 months. 6 months for the end of 2020. What was your plan? What was your plan in 31st of December 2019? What was your plan? You are halfway to finish 2020. I know many people will tell me at the end of the year, oh, it was because of coronavirus. I didn't do this. I didn't do that. I didn't do. Is what you want to say to me? Is what you want to say to me? It means you are joking with your own self. You need to speak to yourself. You need to tell yourself, I need to be focused. You need to tell to yourself, I need to stop being jealous. You need to tell to yourself, I need to make sure I appreciate myself. You need to say to yourself, I need from today, be happy. Even somebody come with negative thought about me, I will say thank you and forgive the person. It's what we're talking about, taking decision and be focused. And be focused. Because me, if you do something wrong to me, I will still be happy. I will forgive you and try to take you close for you to understand the reality of life. Because I notice you will not understand the definition of life. I need to try for you to understand. Because if you know the definition of life and you love yourself, you will never looking for a problem for somebody. You will always find a solution. Because you love yourself. Because you love yourself. You know who you are. You know where you are going. Brother and sister, this is time for us to open our big eyes. God didn't give this eye for us to play with. Because some people do not have it. Some people are crying because they are blind. And we need to accompany them. We need to be there to support them. But if we can see, and we are more stupid than them, do you see? Do you see what can happen? Do you imagine what can happen? It means from today, if it's somebody around you, or if you yourself, you are so negative, forgot about, talk to yourself today and say, no, it's too much. How old I am. Since I was born, I was doing that. What I gain from that? The solution will come. The solution will come. You will change. You have another strategy. And if you want me to be your mentor, contact me. I will train you to have a business mind. I will help you to have a business mind. I will help you to always be positive. Always forgive people who try to hurt you. Let me tell you something. Because people who try to hurt you, people who try to bring you down, is because they want to be like you. Simple. It's just because they want to be like you. But we was born equal, but we are unique. Because the way I put my makeup, I don't think if you put that makeup like this, it will suit your face. It means you need to know what is unique for you. You need to be you. You need to be you. Because you can even see some people, even to speak, they want to change their voice. They want to be somebody else. They want to be somebody else. For what? We need to learn to be natural. We need to learn to enjoy ourselves, to enjoy what we are doing. Never do something because you want people to appreciate. No. No. Because some people will still be there. So what you are doing is not good. Just because they want to bring you down. Just because they want to bring you down. Brother and sister, if you like what we are doing in the community, our PayPal is open. Our Litchi page is open. It means you can go there and donate. You can go there and contribute. The money we are raising is to continue the job we are doing in the community. Is to continue the good work we are doing, because after everything will be open again. After the work will continue. And even since we say lockdown, Migrant Empowerment Group was still working online. Migrant Empowerment Group was still changing people's lives, bringing the happiness on people's face, bringing food bank to vulnerable people in the community, helping children with their coursework, exercises, helping people to continue, be positive, be focused, no stress, no stress. And if you want to be part of our organization, let us know. Pay your membership to be part of our journey. Because we have a project we are planning to go to Africa to support vulnerable children, orphan children. We're going to Africa to support that vulnerable children, widow women. We need to go to Africa and helping them to start the business. It's very important. It's very important for us to come together. Imagine if we come together and say, okay, let's give one pound. Just one pound. One pound. How much we can have if 10,000 people come together. 10,000 people come together, have the same vision. One pound to go to Africa to support widow women, orphan children, and give them another sense of life. And give them a chance to progress in their life. Brother and sister, please, I invite you for us to come together. Our PayPal is there. For us to come together to think positively. How can we do to bring a smile of a face of a woman who lost the husband, on the face of these children who lost their mom, who lost their dads, or who lost both? This is why I'm talking about positivity. This is why I'm talking about empowering. This is why I'm talking about business opportunity. We find a way to start business. Imagine if we go to the village with 10 widow women and we help them to set up the business. That village will change. And you know, the women is a motor of a family. Women know how to deal with money. Women know how to make the business grow up. This is our next plan. This is our next plan. As soon as the COVID-19 will finish, and everything will be okay. We need to travel to Africa to bring the smile back to these widow women. Some people lost their husband because of COVID-19. Some people lost their husband before. Some men even lost their wife because of COVID-19. Some men even lost their wife because they didn't have money to pay for their medicine. Last week, I saw on social media one woman who have one young girl, because I don't think that girl have 20 years old. She have a baby in Africa, but because she don't have money, and it was 22 pounds. The time we're talking about money, it was not even expensive. 22 pounds to release the woman from the hospital. The midwife put that girl in the prison in the hospital, because in Africa, they have a room, or they call him prison, for women who deliver the baby and they don't have money to pay. Do you see the job of Isaac? Can you see? Brother and sister, the money you contribute to our organization is to changing people's life. Is to bringing the smile on somebody's face. The job you are doing in our organization is changing life. It's changing life. Because of 22 pounds, the newborn baby is in prison in the hospital. It means the newborn baby start the life in prison. Do you see the effects in the future? They don't see that. They don't see that. This is why we said we need to be positive. We need to come together and say no to certain stuff. On doit dire non à certaines choses. Il y a des choses qu'on ne doit plus accepter dans la société. Une jeune femme qui part à l'hôpital pour accoucher, après, parce qu'elle n'a pas de l'argent pour payer les soins, on la met en prison. On la met en prison à l'hôpital avec le bébé. Vous voyez, ce n'est pas facile. Donc, mettons-nous ensemble pour pouvoir venir en aide à ceux qui sont vraiment dans le besoin. Donc, si vous avez le cœur sensible, le cœur positif, le cœur d'aider, le cœur d'apporter le sourire à quelqu'un, Migrant Empowerment Group, c'est une bonne plateforme pour vous, pour qu'on puisse se mettre ensemble et soutenir les veuves, les orphelins, les enfants handicapés, les enfants abandonnés, les enfants abandonnés à eux-mêmes. Une femme accouche et elle abandonne. Une femme accouche et elle abandonne. Donc, mes frères et sœurs, apprenons à être beaucoup positifs que négatifs. La raison pour laquelle je suis là ce matin, c'est déjà pour vous rappeler le Zoom meeting de dimanche qui doit se tenir à 15 h, l'heure de l'Angleterre. À 15 h, l'heure de l'Angleterre. C'est d'encourager les uns et les autres d'être beaucoup positifs, focalisés et apprendre à commencer un business. Enregistrez-vous chez nous pour avoir une autre vision de vie. Je pense que le COVID-19 vous a permis à mieux réfléchir, à mieux comprendre la définition de la vie. Prenez le temps de prendre des décisions parce que la période du confinement, c'était une période de mieux réfléchir. De mieux réfléchir. Après le confinement, quels seraient mes plans? C'est de ça qu'il s'agit. Le confinement, ce n'était pas d'aller à la maison, manger, boire, s'amuser, prendre le téléphone parce que le temps à faire du commérage avec des amis. Non, 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 non. C'était une période de méditation. C'était une période de méditation parce qu'on voyait sur les radios tous les jours, les news, les informations très, 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 très mauvaises. Les gens mouraient par-ci, par-là. Les gens mouraient partout dans le monde. Et nous avons constaté ensemble, quand tu mourais en Chine, on t'enterrait en Chine. Quand tu mourais, je ne sais pas où, on t'enterrait directement là où tu es mort. Donc, mes frères et sœurs, je ne serai pas long, because today is our day. I just want to remember somebody. Make sure you continue to be positive. Make sure you continue to follow Isaac Vision. Make sure you continue to follow Migrant Empowerment Group. On Saturday, our online Zoom conference is about empowering and business opportunity. Send the link to people you know to invite them. They will come. The platform is for us. The platform is for us. You will be free to talk. And it's free of charge for you. And stop taking free stuff for granted. Because everything you receive for free, you're taking for granted. The day that free will stop is where you will understand. It's where you understand. Grab this opportunity. Come and exchange with us. Come for us to see what we can do in the next step. Take some clothes, jewelry, shoes from Isaac Vision to start your business. Register yourself to be part of Migrant Empowerment Group. Register yourself to start sewing. Register yourself to learn how to make the scarf. Register yourself how to knitting. Register yourself even how to put your makeup. Register yourself to learn how to forgive, because it's not everybody who forgive. Register yourself to learn how to say sorry, because even to your own child, you need to say sorry. If you cannot say sorry to your own child will never respect you. If you cannot even learn how to say thank you, because some people don't even know how to say thank you. They don't want to say thank you, especially to their children. We need to learn. We need to learn even to say thank you to our children. If the child do something good, you need to appreciate. If you cannot appreciate your child will never respect you. Never. Who is calling me? The time I'm doing the live, people see you're in live and then they call. And then they call. People see the time you are in live and they call. And they call. That is the world we live there. Somebody will see you are connected and the person will call you. Do you think the person are respecting himself or the person are disgracing themselves? That is a question we need to ask. Let me put a nice music and then to let you continue your journey, okay? Enjoy yourself as you can, okay? Bon, on boit un peu de jus Evi pour commencer, ok? J'ai pourtant essayé d'être comme il faut pour être avec toi. Cheese. Les jus Evi. Ces jus te rendent vraiment fraîche, ça te nettoie le corps parce que ça commence à l'intérieur. Ça commence à te nettoyer à l'intérieur. Ce sont des jus naturels et des légumes naturels, ok? Andolamier. Ah, le goût du zouk. Je sais qu'il y a certains gens que ça fait longtemps qu'ils n'ont pas dansé les zouk. Pourquoi tu ne danses pas, mon frère? Ma chérie, pourquoi tu ne danses pas? Mets le morceau à la maison. Même si tu n'as pas l'argent pour acheter le CD. Laisse ça. Télécharge YouTube. Tu suis les morceaux. Même si tu ne télécharges pas, écris seulement YouTube sur Google. Tu appuies, tu mets le morceau que tu aimes. Et tu enjoy. La technologie a avancé. Il faut qu'on soit à la page. The nice music. Enjoy as you can. Je suis unie, c'est ce qui t'aime et qui t'aimera à jamais. Et qui t'aimera à jamais. Me la vie. Hey! Andolamier. Enjoy yourself as you can. The juice like this. Oh my God. Evi Azek Vision juice. Fresh juice. Raw fruit. Okay? It's raw fruit. And veg. Help you with your health. Even if you have diabetic type 2, it will help you to clean your blood. It will help you to make everything stable. You don't need to drink tablets. You don't need to have something else because the juice like this one, AV juice, will help you to clean your blood. Amen. And it will clean your skin as well, okay? The juice like this will help you to clean your skin. Amen. Amen. Tu resteras l'amour de ma vie. Amen. Partagez la vidéo pour inviter vos amis, non? Bon, mettons un peu Grâce Deka, parce que Grâce Deka aussi, c'est celle qui a fait fort aussi au Cameroun à un moment, c'est l'artiste camerounaise. On doit apprécier ça. I enjoy Azek Vision juice, AV juice. Help me to clean my skin. It starts from inside, okay? I have no makeup, no makeup, no makeup, no makeup because I love my lipstick, colorful lipstick. Le fino masai, ele se vanobi. Ah, no la momio, nangana mano mai. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, de la momie, de mon mai. Hey, vous avez vu, non? Grâce Deka, ce n'est pas le genre de morceaux qu'on joue encore aujourd'hui là. La mia, ayo, la mia, la mia, oh, oh, la la. Oh, la momie, la mon no mai, les fino masai. Le goût d'empowering. La musique fait du bien. Music is good for mental health. Okay, people who have problem with mental health, people who have problem with depression, people who have problem because they cannot concentrate. Follow Migrant Empowerment Group. If you go to my page Facebook, you will dance and dance. It will help you to dance and dance, to enjoy yourself and learn to be positive. La 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 la. La 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 la. Love, 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 okay? Merci beaucoup Anna, merci Ruth, merci Devi, merci to all of you. Thank you to Catherine, thank you to all of you, thank you. I hope you really enjoy yourself today. I really entertain you this afternoon. Make sure you continue to be positive, 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 positive. And then we are together, okay? We are together. Ah non, beautiful. Bon, le dernier morceau qu'on joue, c'est le morceau de l'amour pur. Now we play a last and last song. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. And we stop for today. Okay? Oui, après ce morceau, je dois devoir vous laisser parce que là, il me faut travailler. Il me faut travailler.
On dit l'amour parfait, ça n'existe pas.
Et ça, c'est pour ceux qui ne l'ont jamais connu, jamais vu.
Mon bonheur à moi, je l'ai dans tes bras.
Tu me rends heureux.
Avec toi, j'ai le meilleur. Tu as ravi mon cœur.
Tu es toujours là pour moi.
Depuis toujours, tu m'as dit que c'est moi. Bébé, je peux me voir en toi. Je suis d'accord.
À partir d'aujourd'hui,
Rien ne peut plus nous séparer.
aujourd'hui c'est mon jour, tu avais parlé.
Maintenant c'est mon tour. Devant Dieu et les hommes, il a décidé de faire de moi sa femme. Nobody go back there. Depuis le ciel s'est scellé. Il a dit c'est mon choix. Je suis sa reine, il est mon roi.
Lève t'aimer.
Toujours mon bébé, oui,
Je veux t'aimer.
Toujours mon bébé.
Manie ta vie. Et mon amour à jamais.
Depuis toujours je t'ai volé. Aujourd'hui je t'ai eu. Je ne vais jamais te
Eh oui.
car avec toi là, je suis complet. J'ai mis du temps à te trouver. Donc toi et moi c'est barré collé. Donc laisse-moi chanter. Devant papa et maman. Devant ta famille et ma famille. Devant tous nos amis.
Laisse-moi t'aimer.
Devant monsieur le maire. Devant nos amis.
Même devant nos ennemis. Eh.
Aujourd'hui c'est mon jour, vous avez parlé, maintenant c'est mon tour. Devant Dieu et les hommes, il a décidé de faire de moi sa femme. Nobody go back there. Depuis le ciel s'est scellé. Il a dit c'est mon choix. Je suis sa reine, il est mon roi.
Lève t'aimer. Eh oui, toujours l'amour, toujours l'amour, toujours l'amour vrai, l'amour pur. Hey man, anyway, it's a man, I love you, baby. Hey man, yeah, moi t'avoue, je ne sais plus quoi dire pour t'exprimer mon amour.
Je vais juste t'aimer, 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 toujours mon bébé, oui,
Je vais t'aimer.
t'aimer, 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 toujours mon bébé.
Aujourd'hui c'est mon jour, vous avez parlé.
Maintenant c'est mon tour. Devant Dieu et les hommes, il a décidé de faire de moi sa femme. Nobody go back there. Depuis le ciel s'est scellé. Il a dit c'est mon choix. Je suis sa reine, il est mon roi.
Thank you so much, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Donc, c'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon. C'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon pour aujourd'hui. C'est bon, j'espère que vous vous êtes amusés. J'espère que ça vous a aidé. Partagez la vidéo, même à ceux qui ne se sentent pas bien. Pour aujourd'hui, partagez la vidéo. Je sais que ça doit motiver ceux qui étaient déprimés, ceux qui étaient stressés, ceux qui se sentaient seuls. Donc, le message doit les faire comprendre qu'ils ne sont pas seuls. Okay, share the video even to somebody who are in the better moment or in the hospital because they don't feel well. I'm really sure this live video will help the person to recover, will help the person to forgive people who hurt him. Will help the person as well to be more stronger and more positive. I just want to let you know, guys, never say you are alone. You are not alone, because somebody like me, exist in the world to support people in need, to support vulnerable people in the community. If you need my help, just drop me the message or you can inbox. Okay, the phone number where you can contact us is there. If you want to join me personally, you can contact straight away or you can send a text message. I will see exactly what you're talking about and then I will come back to you. If you want to go to our website, you go to migrant-empowerment-group.co.uk. If you want to know more about our business site, you go to azekvision.co.uk. Our shop name on Facebook is Azek Vision Market Shop on Facebook. You go there and you will see what is going on. Follow our page and then contact us. We will see what we can do together. We need you. We need you. I need you. I need you. Because I know you need me as well. We need ourselves, okay? You need me, I need me, and then together we will be strong. Together we will be very, very strong. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. Not forget to order your juice, AV juice, to be strong. It will help you with your health issue because it's natural juice. Thank you and God bless you. Bye-bye.